Happy New Year. As I record this, it is the 14th of April 2026, but I think this is the first video of this year. So because of that, I am going to do a year in review-ish, 2025, but it will be brief. I'm going to go through all the books that I sold in 2025, how much profit I made. And you'll probably spot near the end of 2025 that I did something a little bit different. But I will point that out when we get to it. Right, on with the show. So this is it, without any further ado. All of 2025, I sold 437 books. Of course, it goes up in December. Of course, it always does. Don't worry, I will show you the books. But you can pause and have a little look if you want. I don't think I did many books in this year. I did create the usual planners, and I did introduce a range of log books. But again, I'm going to do another video on those later on because very interesting what's happened there. So these are all the books I sold last year. 437, and I made £601. So as you can see, for most of the year, it's fairly flat. I don't want to hover over the bar, the graph, because it'll give away the point of the video. So I'll resist the urge for now. But fear not, you will see all the numbers. So as you can see, it's fairly flat and constant in both aspects. Obviously, it increases at the end of the year. There. But the increase in December, if you can see there in the graph, it shoots up a lot quicker than the amount of books, if you can see what I mean there. So outside of December, peak, I'm selling 40, 50 books. In December, I'm just under doubling it. But here, as you can see, outside of December, I'm making 45-ish pounds maximum. In November, I make a little bit more. But then in December, I've made nearly 200. So I've nearly gone up 4 times in terms of profit, royalties. And that's because I did one simple thing. And you'll be able to pick it up as we go along. So these are just some of the books I sold with the prices. And as you can see, there are some books there. Most books are earning per book under £2. There's some there earning under £1. Some earning under 50 pence. There's one there for 27p. These are all books that I did and didn't change the prices off, even when the royalty system changed with KDP. So I'm earning 12 pence a book there. But then in October and November, I changed that. I put the prices up so I was making the full 60% royalties, meaning each book was bringing in about £2, in between £2 and £2.50 for almost all of the books. There's probably some that I did forget to do, but between £2 and £2.50 per book, that's probably $3, $2.70, $3 per book, as opposed to 26 pence. And I am reaping the benefits of that in this year. I won't show you those figures in this video, but it's continued in December. I'm selling, say, 50 books, 50 books a month, say, and instead of making, let's have a look. So in September 25, I sold 44 books, and I made £44. So instead of making £1 a book, I'm making between £150 and £200 per month. Same books, all I did was went in there and put the prices up. Very, very simple. So in terms of sheer numbers, let's have a tiptoe through the figures. 83 of these sketchbooks, fashion sketchbooks. It's just a basic book with the silhouette of a female mannequin in this case. Really easy to make. Again, I've made videos on how to make all of these books. This multi-purpose logbook is interesting and different. I'll do a full video on that soon. But that's one of the newer books, and it's become my best-selling book of 2026 so far. All these are classic books. These have been on my website, on my KDP bookshelf, almost since the beginning of time. And then, of course, you get the planners, which sell in January. And did I make any in August? I normally do them for the academic year, but I might not have even done them last year. Yeah, I might not have even made them. But yeah, there's the classic books. It's more interesting in the royalties page. So those 80 odd fashion books made me £100. Nowadays, of course, that would make us 200, 250. How many of those books did I sell again? Sorry. The 74 multi-purpose books made 97 pence. Now they're making in between 230 and 260 each. And I'm selling a lot of them. There you go, that's a better side-by-side comparison. Remember, I've showed you how to make each and every book on this list. And these figures aren't massive, but again, I don't want to jump the gun and show you figures from 2026. But you'll see that, but you can see, thankfully, because I did up the prices for the last month or two, on average, I am making more than £1 a book. Which is nice. There used to be a place to try and be the cheapest. There used to be, not merit, but perhaps if you went cheap, you might get more sales. And that was the thinking behind me pricing some of my early books. It didn't help, I didn't get many more sales. But I was thinking, if I charge another £2 per book, which I am in some cases, or sometimes even more, will it still make the sales? And the answer has been a resounding yes. So if you want to make more money, put your prices up. So let's do a little bit more scrolling. I'm not bothered going to the next page just because not a lot will have sold. But yeah, so 437 and £600. Now, just a quick peek at this year. I'm not going to go in depth in the figures. 186 books sold. So I've sold maybe a third of what I have last year, which is fine because we're 4 months into the year. But I've made £468. Last year, I would have made less than 150, maybe even closer to 100, with some of the getting 20 pence a book. But simply putting up the prices, I've released no new books this year, apart from perhaps the usual appointment books. I've sold just the same amount of books, made a lot more money. And it's as simple as putting your prices up. Right, that's it for today's video. It's gone on long enough. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to do some more videos, record more videos today, and I'm going to schedule them for during the coming weeks. So you will have more content coming from me. I know you've missed us. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe already, please do consider giving it a little click. It means the world to me. See you next time.